What's up, Berry Pony? I'm Nether Dragon, and I'm back for another episode of My Little Pony: Friendship is Magic. And tonight I'm doing Season 8, Episode 23. Well, let's just jump right in. 3, 2, 1, go.
I can't believe you two are going on a friendship quest.
Oh,
this
who?
is amazing.
Applejack and Fluttershy? Okay, sure.
Exactly. This is the first time the map has teamed up the same ponies for a
They have?
quest. That is special.
When was her first time?
Extra good at solving friendship problems.
I hope so, because it looks like this one might be a little tricky. You're going to the Peaks of Peril.
That sounds ominous.
Peril?
Ah, it's just a name. It doesn't mean anything.
Like how Cloudsdale is in the clouds, and the Crystal Empire is made of crystal?
Fair point. So, what can you tell us about the place, Twilight?
Only what Rockhoof told me. Back in his day, no pony knew much about the Peaks of Peril, except for the legend on this ancient shield. It says a group called the Kirin used to live there, known for their kindness and truth-speaking.
Okay.
Why the map called us?
Unfortunately, other creatures also live there. The Neric, fearsome beasts of pure fire. Oh, you should go instead of me, Twilight.
The near Kirik.
Sorry,
Kirin.
Fluttershy.
What are they? I missed.
I'm sure the two of us will get that friendship problem solved no matter what kind of creature has it.
Kirin and Neric, I think it is. I don't know. Anyways, I'm trying to think. What other quest has Fluttershy and Applejack been on? I can't think. If you guys know what other episode they were teamed up in, let me know, because I just cannot think for the life of me what episode had them teamed up. Right there, I just gotta think about it. Okay, if the train goes, how are they supposed to get back?
Guess no pony else is going out as far as we are.
Maybe they know something we don't.
Now, Fluttershy, I've told you a dozen times, there's nothing to be scared.
I'm sorry.
You really startled us.
Oh, it's just that I'm not used to seeing any pony taking the train to the end of the line. The final destination. The last stop.
Okay.
Why?
Nothing but uncharted terrain and wild beasts out that way.
Okay, then.
Well, maybe there's a little something to be scared of.
Let's see. Applejack's maps. One in Manhattan. That's all I can think of. I'll probably look it up after this episode's over, although by then...
Those must be the Peaks of Peril. Whew. Tough going, huh, Fluttershy? Fluttershy?
Where's Fluttershy? How could you leave her behind, Applejack?
There. That should be enough flowers to keep your tree cozy.
Fluttershy? What are you doing? This is no time for visiting varmints. We're on a friendship quest, remember?
You just called them varmints, Applejack? Wow.
Come on! We're burning daylight.
I know, but what I found out is that...
Now we gotta get up that peak. I figured if we use some rope and elbow grease, we can make it up half.
Applejack! Can you please let
Thank you, Fluttershy, for finally yelling and getting her attention.
The squirrels told me a shortcut they take to the Kirin village.
Well, that's convenient.
Oh. Sorry, Fluttershy. I suppose I got a little too caught up in the adventure.
That's all right. If you hadn't come back to get me, I probably would have talked to the squirrels all day.
Well, you made it. Interesting looking village.
I hope that's not in Eric.
Show yourself!
No, looking at the subtitle, the Kieran word and the Neeric word look like they're just reversed of each other.
Well, hi, I'm Applejack, and this here's Fluttershy.
That's probably just a coincidence.
If you have any friendship problems, we're here to help.
They're not saying much.
Bunch, ain't they? We're from Equestria, and we're plumb tickled to meet y'all. So, what are your names? Applejack, Fluttershy. Remember?
I don't think they can talk.
Understand us.
Do you understand Ponish?
Oh, but you don't speak?
Don't or won't?
Will you excuse us for a moment? You have to ask yes or no questions, or they won't answer.
Like talking to Angel Bunny?
Not exactly. I
Uh,
can always tell what Angel is feeling, but these Kieran don't show anything.
Well, how are we gonna solve a friendship problem if none of them will tell us what it is?
that's a good question, Applejack. These Kieran definitely are a very interesting design.
Still, there's gotta be some way to make them speak. Beautiful day, ain't it? Knock, knock. Now you say, who's there? Police! Police who? Police, say something!
I would walk away too.
Uh-oh, I feel a sneeze coming on. Achoo!
Gesundheit.
Ugh. Don't any of y'all talk? Now we're getting somewhere.
A dark, spooky path that leads into unknown territory?
Tell
You're
what,
in unknown territory
you
right now,
stay and see if you
Fluttershy.
can get anything out of these here Kieran. I'll go try and find one that talks.
Phew. Be careful. And watch out for Neerix!
Oh, just a squirrel.
Phew. Ah! Oh, have you seen a Kieran that talks? Any idea where I should look? Oh, for the love of Celestia! Can't you just say something?
Gotcha. Sorry,
What?
but that was too.
Wow.
Oh, you don't know how much I miss jokes. Hilarity. Am I pronouncing that right? Some words I haven't said in a while. Hi, I'm Autumn Blaze. You've just arrived, and perhaps you're tired or hungry or reflective and want to sleep and eat and journal, which you should do, of course. But first, oh, what joy to talk with another creature. It's been so long.
Okay.
Everything about you. There's so much to say, so much to do. Oh, look at me. I'm going on, and you haven't seen. I mean, have you seen? What am I saying? Of course you haven't.
Okay,
So
you
I
just keep
really follow me.
talking.
That was something, all right.
Yeah, it was Applejack.
Oh, wow. This is amazing.
Oh, you think so too? The way the light shimmers off everything, like it all suddenly woke up the moment you saw it, and you realize maybe the water and the mountains and the forests and the rainbow and the stars in the sky are all looking back at you thinking the same thing, that we are a part of the everything. That maybe there's just one thing and we are all it.
Okay.
It's pretty.
Whatever you just said
Yeah.
there.
And this is just the first stop on a journey of amazing things to see, smell, tiptoe through. Oh, I haven't been able to share all of this with any pony in forever since they all took that vow of silence. So it's a lot for me to, process, deal with.
Whoa there. Vow of
Yeah,
silence?
wait, what? Vow of silence?
That's why they
He
asked me
should.
to leave.
I hope it's not a sore subject, but you mind explaining why y'all went quiet in the first place?
It's a long story.
You'd rather not talk about it?
No.
I understand.
I'd rather sing.
Okay, I was not expecting that.
La 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 la. The Kieran used to speak and sing. We weren't always quiet. We told stories and funny jokes. My stand-up was a riot. But then one day a fight broke out and hurtful words were said. Flaring tempers were inflamed.
What
Destruction
the?
quickly spread. And flaming red from head to head, it even burnt our bread. Sorry, I forgot how much I love rhyming. Where was I? Oh, right! My happy village lay in ruins. Relationships got worse. Spoiler alert, we quickly learned that words could be a curse. No more talking, yelled our leader. The last thing said aloud. Into the stream of silence, we stepped.
Why do you have a stream of
out.
silence?
The water cooled emotions, and peace was soon restored. But with no way to speak my thoughts, I got super bored. Seriously, there's only so long that Sudoku can keep you entertained. 'Cause
I believe that.
rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain. And shiny apples sometimes come with worms. No, you can't give up your laughter 'cause you're scared of a little pain.
That's true.
It's a lesson that the Kieran never learned. I was stuck in silent prison with the voices in my head. Till I tripped over my salvation in a helpful flower bed. I found a cure to clear my pipes, and I became quite chatty. With years and years of stored up words, I drove my village batty. They didn't like my jokes and songs and daily dose of news. The plays I wrote, the speeches spoke, variety reviews. Or the story about the Kieran who hid below an opera stage and fell in love with this opera singer, and he wore a freaky half mask thing, and he played the organ a lot and got all broody because the singer was in love with another dude. So we took her away on this underground gondola. I mean, who
What the hell? I never thought they would put a Phantom of the Opera inside My Little Pony. Oh my god.
I could keep my voice. So I came here but left the couch alone. They're hard to move. With just the view for company until you heard me groove. Take it away, boys. 'Cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain. And candles just won't glow until they're burned. No, you can't give up your laughter 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that my village never learned. No matter how hard I schooled them, fear of hurt is still what ruled them. Sometimes you gotta let it rain.
That was a really good song.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta
Probably
let
my
it rain.
favorite or second favorite song of this season. The Trixie and Starlight one was pretty good too.
Can't
So
believe it. No pony should give up feeling their feelings just to keep from getting angry.
you're
That's
right,
what I
Applejack.
said. Well, you know, when I started talking again.
I bet this here's the problem that Fluttershy and I came to help y'all with.
Really? Who's Fluttershy? Oh, did you name your shadow? Mine's called Silhouette Gloom of the Sundown Lands.
With the sundown land.
Well, I think you can just go talk to Daddy
Okay.
Kieran. We can get him to welcome you back proper like. Maybe even convince him to take your cure.
Oh, yes, of course. Oh, just one small thing. The antidote for my anecdote, it's gone.
There's no cure left?
I used the last of the false breath flowers to make it. and I haven't seen them bloom since.
Well, this wouldn't be a friendship quest if it was easy. I'm gonna start by getting your
The blue flowers did kind of look.
back.
If the blue flowers what she used, they did kind of look like that
Now,
flower the squirrel brought
between you and
Fluttershy.
me, I'm not sure she's gonna convince them.
Nope.
But I hope she does.
Fluttershy, guess what? I figured out the friendship problem.
Oh,
Me too.
good.
Go ahead. Bet that's a problem the Kieran never have.
No.
Anyhow, we gotta get them all talking again.
Oh, no. We can't ever let that happen.
I
Why,
thought you said you
Fluttershy?
Figured out the friendship problem. Was something lost in translation?
The Kirin are usually peaceful and kind, but when they get mad, they turn into Nerex, creatures made of fire.
So I
and
guess the
vengeance.
naming of the two is
It seemed less
not a
scary when it was
coincidence.
in a song.
The last time they all argued, they got so angry they accidentally destroyed their whole village. So the Kirin decided to make sure it would never happen again.
But that's no reason to stop talking.
Yes, it is. Fire is dangerous.
You know, as much as I like
especially
Fluttershy,
in
and
times like this.
I'm
Think
siding with
about
Applejack on
animals
this.
it could hurt.
Not if they don't turn into fire.
Feeling is
breathing
definitely
Nerex
not
in
something
the
you want to
first
stop
place.
doing.
And how can you be sure that won't happen?
There's gotta be a better way than giving up all your feelings.
Applejack, you're not listening!
Cause you're not talking any sense.
Doing? Maybe they got worried because we were arguing with each other.
Ah, shucks. We were just having a normal civil disagreement. Honest.
Yeah, they don't turn into Nerex when they do that.
To the stream of silence. If we hit that water, we'll never be able to talk or feel anything ever again.
Put them down!
It's all right. I think I know this one, and she's trying to help.
Well,
Wow.
yeah. Can't
Hey,
help
Autumn
but silence
Blaze.
The only friend who will speak to me.
She talks?
You have no idea.
Yeah, you don't have no idea.
Autumn Blaze.
Well, thank you for that, wall of fire, but I thought Nerex were dangerous when they're angry.
It's only how you use your
You can
anger.
Control your temper.
I didn't. I guess anger's like other feelings. It's not about having them, it's what you do.
Exactly.
And giving up happiness to keep away anger is no kind of life.
I never thought of it that way. I can't imagine not being able to talk to my animal friends.
Fernflare, you used to love to laugh at everything. And Rainshine, you sung the most beautiful harmonies. Don't you miss it?
I know you're worried about fighting, but friends can disagree without causing a ruckus.
Every pony gets mad sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Even Applejack and I argue.
What? When do we ever argue?
On the way here, and about
Yep.
Kirin being silent.
Yep.
And right now!
Mm-hmm.
We don't always see eye to eye, but we never let that get in the way of our friendship.
And if you're really angry, then take some time away to be a Nerex where it won't hurt any pony.
I think they're trying to say something.
Okay, are you hungry?
I think they want.
Oh, no,
They're saying they want their
Kieran dropped in a
voice
well?
back or something.
Okay, baby.
It's Kieran
Baby
dropped
fish.
in the well.
Baby,
Okay.
no, baby fish
That's
mouth.
another reference to
Something?
Lassie,
Anything?
I think.
Ah,
Yeah.
Just write it down. Oh, this is making me furious. Would you excuse me? I'll be right back.
Okay
You
then.
were saying. Oh, you want the cure for the stream of silence.
That's wonderful! Isn't it?
Well, it would be, except there aren't any flowers left to make the cure.
Are you sure?
Oh, beyond sure. Believe me, I've had a lot of alone time lately.
I believe
searched
it.
the entire forest 73 and a half times.
73 and a
The
half.
second half could make a difference.
I wish she'd told us what kind of flowers she's looking for.
They're called foal's breath.
I've never heard of that.
Fluttershy, a little help.
He says he knows where to find Fool's Breath.
Well, what are we waiting for? Lead the way!
Yep, indeed, the blue flower.
That's what Fool's Breath looks like?
Autumn Blaze never would have made it past the peaks to search here.
She never would have wanted
I
to,
owe
or
apologies.
yeah, couldn't get back to peace without the shortcut.
Because if your kindness hadn't made you stop to help the squirrels... we
And that's
never
why the
would've
map
found
called
the shield
Fluttershy.
flower.
And if your honesty hadn't convinced the Kieran to talk, we wouldn't need to find it.
That too.
Guess it's a good thing the map sent both of us, huh?
You found them? Where were they? Tell me everything and feel free to add complicated descriptions and comedic tangents. Oh, right. First things first.
Autumn Blaze, you have given us a gift. The realization that anger is within us, but it is our choice how
That is a
we
very
act.
good lesson right
We
there.
would very much like it if you came back to live with us. I can't say how much we've missed your beautiful voice.
'Cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain, and candles just won't glow until they're burned. No, you can't give up your laughter 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that my village never learned. Oh yes, 'cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain.
Kind of a random. That's just kind of an ending suddenly, but okay. Yeah, I really enjoyed that episode. That's definitely going to be an S rank episode. It was really good song, really good lesson. I loved Autumn Blaze. She's very interesting. I don't know if I call her a pony, but I guess a Kieran. Anyways, very good episode. Definitely going to be the top S. Yeah, it was probably one of my favorite episodes of this season. So, anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.